how to add or edit keyboard text replacement on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. And in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on General. Then go down and tap on Keyboard. Next, tap on Text Replacement. And here to add in a text replacement, tap on the Add button. And then tap in the phrase. So for example, best before, date, and then I can use the shortcut as BBB and then tap on Save. Now if I go into my text and if I use the shortcut BBB, I can use that shortcut right there. Okay, so that's how you can create a text replacement shortcut. If you want to edit it, you go back in here and tap on the Edit button. And then it doesn't look like you can actually go in and edit the text. You need to delete it. And then we can add in a new text. And then we can add in a new shortcut and then tap on Save. And that's it. So tap on that button to edit. Again, you cannot actually edit it. You need to delete it. And if we go back in here, we can now put in BBB. And then it will show that shortcut right there. Now, best you go, and then tap on the Send button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.